I'm broke.
I don't care. Look at me. I don't care what the fuck we have to go through. I'm gonna go through it with you. We're gonna go through it together. Listen, if you gotta stay with me and find a job, we're gonna sit all night going through applications together. I will not let you fall. You understand me? I am never gonna let you fall. I'm always going to have your back. I'm always gonna make sure you have it. Look at me. You're not broke. You're fine. You got us. I got us too. So I'm gonna be here for you. Always. Okay? You understand me? We're gonna get through this. I'm not gonna let you go down the drain. I love you for who you are, for your personality, not for what you got. I don't care if you're rich, you're poor. I don't care about none of that shit.